Welcome back, subscribers. This is Jude from Goddess at a Crossroads. Lee's working on her video right now. So I'm going to just take you on a quick tour through our altar room. And this is where we, so to speak, make all the magic happen. Very sacred place. This is our altar, as you can see. And this is where we keep all of our spells that Lee and I have created together over the years. And our giant scrying mirror, which is totally awesome. All our different herbs and oils and spells. And as I went over before, all the tools that you'll need for your altar, our athame, our boline, and all that other good stuff. But getting back to what today's topic is, how to start and build your Book of Shadows. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. And welcome back. This is our desk side opposite of our altar. And this is where we keep all of our writing tools, our wax for our wax seals, ink wells, and the rest of our journals. And I have the Book of Shadows there to go over how we got to that point. When we first started out, in starting our Book of Shadows, and some call it a grimoire, it could be something as simple as a little journal. And as we got more comfortable and started writing more spells, we moved on to a bigger journal, leather bound, and with a pentagram on it. And then once we ran out of room there, we transferred everything over to our big kahuna, which I'm running out of room there, so picked up that other leather journal. Now, if you see anything that you like that we may have, just shoot me a comment down below, and I can send you a link to wherever we pick our stuff up, how to get it, or if it's something we have, how you can get it from us. Okay, so our Book of Shadows, what we chose, and there's no right way or wrong way, it's what you feel. So remember, your Book of Shadows is your innermost thoughts, your rituals, your incantations, your spell work, everything that's important to you and what you're feeling. It's a very private book. Recommend that you don't share with people. There's an individual Book of Shadows, a couple's Book of Shadows, and then a Book of Shadows that you would share with your coven if that's the case and if that's the path you go. But Lee's in mind, with inside of our Book of Shadows, we have a lot of our reference material, and just FYI purposes, but when we get into the back of it, it's where we start adding our spells that we've written and that have worked for us. As you can see, anything that we've used with the spells, we keep in there. We hold on to it. But again, whichever way you decide that you want to lay out your book, there's, again, no right way, no wrong way. If you do use printed materials like we have in this book, and you want to mix it with your spells like we have, that's fine as well. You want a little bit of you in there. And like I said, I'm just going to glimpse over this because this is for mine and Lee's eyes only. But we do leave blank pages so that we can add our spells as we go along. This is a 3-ring binder. And like I said, once after 17, almost 18 years together, it accumulates. And then I picked up this nice little journal, which I haven't started in yet. But in here, we'll start writing more spells. And then we can always interchange it out between this one and this one. Now, I will be doing a detailed video on how to put all this together, how to put the binder together, how to lace it. Also, again, how to lace it. And I want to thank you all. We're pretty new at this, so bear with us, and the videos will get better as we go along. But once again, I do want to remind everybody First and foremost, do things from the heart, no harm. At the end of this video, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like, hit the notification bell, and put a comment below, and we will go ahead and shoot you an email, which will give you 3 starter pages for your Book of Shadows, along with your very first spell for your Book of Shadows, Banish Anxiety. So for now, merry meet, merry part, merry meet again, and blessed be.